Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals on Monday 5th of December with me, Rich Paramarket Analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at cable. We've had another strong move on cable. Positive bull candle that we saw on Thursday questioned a little bit the whether the move was going to happen actually to the upside, but we saw a really strong move on Friday. 27.19 or 27.20 I suppose you'd say was significantly above 26.73, which was the latest reaction high, and it just continues this improvement that we've seen in cable. 64 now on the RSI, stochastics rising strongly, MACD lines above positive for the first time in 11 weeks. So it's interesting that this sort of continued recovery is being seen. Now I'm sort of a buyer into corrections now, I think, on cable. Little bit stretched, you could argue, near term. Maybe there's a room for a bit of a correction, but certainly the outlook is improving by the day on this chart. Now we've got this hourly chart which shows the breakout above 25.15, break 25.57, which subsequently became the basis of support. You're sort of pulling a succession of higher lows, and obviously Friday's move into the close above that previous reaction high, 26.95. It looks all positive, and looks certainly on the hourly chart that any unwinding moves on the RSI is being bought into, similar on the MACD lines and the stochastics. So I'd say any sort of corrective move is a chance to buy, and I think that there is going to be further upside seen in due course. Now obviously the initial support is that overnight reaction low that we had in the wake of sort of the market reaction really from the Italian referendum. Not a huge bit of a dip, but we did drive a bit of dollar strength that pulled cable lower. But 26.23 was that reaction low, so obviously that is now your initial support. But just looking on this chart, there is a room to certainly unwind back towards 27.96 or 28 figure really, which was this old support band that we saw through the late summer. But I think there is certainly room to pull back towards that overhead supply, and sort of it'll be interesting to see what happens around that sort of 28 figure area. But I believe that is sort of the next target that we're looking towards on cable. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.